The Roebling Bridge stands as a remarkable feat of historic engineering, elegantly linking Cincinnati and Covington over the Ohio River. During golden hour, gentle sunlight bathes the bridge's stone towers and sweeping cables in a warm glow, revealing intricate textures and subtle colors. The river below mirrors these golden tones, enhancing the bridge's details and creating a captivating interplay of light and water. This magical transformation makes golden hour an ideal time to experience or photograph the bridge's timeless beauty. To capture this enchanting scene, visit Smale Riverfront Park at sunrise or sunset. From the park's vantage point along the river, you can frame both the Roebling Bridge and the Cincinnati skyline together. The soft light of golden hour accentuates the bridge's architectural features and casts dramatic shadows across the water, while the skyline is illuminated with vibrant shades of orange and pink against the evening sky. The reflections on the river add depth and richness, resulting in a visually compelling composition. Enhance your photograph by selecting a wide-angle lens, which allows you to capture the full sweep of the suspension cables and the cityscape beyond. Consider placing the bridge off-center to highlight its historic elegance and create a dynamic sense of depth. Explore different angles and vantage points to reveal how the golden hour light interacts with the structure, using the cables as leading lines to guide the viewer's gaze. With careful composition and lens choice, you can create images that truly showcase the enduring allure of the Roebling Bridge.